Today we're going to show you how to do a roast turkey for the family at home. First thing we're going to need is a good old-fashioned free-range turkey. So we want to get the best turkey that you can. If it is frozen, if you do get a frozen turkey, just make sure you defrost it for at least 2 days in the fridge.
Loosening off all the skin here away from the meat, which is going to make a nice space where we're going to put the herb butter.
We've got a herb garlic butter here. Inside, we've got garlic, parsley, thyme, sea salt, butter. 5 ingredients, very simple. So also when you start roasting the turkey, it's going to provide extra moisture, which is going to help it not dry out.
So the trick is, tons of this between the skin and the meat. Once it's cooking, all the butter's going to melt. It's going to keep the meat nice and tasty.
Put a little bit on top. We're going to do a little truss, a little bit of extra fat. So we're going to use some olive oil, salt, pepper. We're going to really lube it up. Okay, so now we've got the butter on the bird. Now it's time to stuff the bird. Onion, orange, garlic, and some fresh herbs. To be honest, you don't need to peel it either. So half an onion, half a garlic, and now we're going to truss the bird. So what's the reason? Why do we truss the bird?
Keep it all in nice shape when it's cooking. It's going to help keep everything inside, all the moisture.
Okay, while he's doing that, I'll prepare the trivets. We're going to use a little bit of carrot and celery. So classic mirepoix, thyme and rosemary. Trivet of mirepoix, onion, garlic, thyme, rosemary. Leave all the vegetables nice and chunky as well. There's your basic trivet of vegetable.
Just going to finish off the turkey now. A little bit of olive oil. Get it all nice and covered in that. Plenty of salt. Going to really cover it with that.
Loads of pepper as well.
Onto the tray.
Done. Let's go to the oven. Turkey's been in the oven for roughly 45 minutes now. So at this stage, we're getting a beautiful color right now. Now it's time to protect that color. We're just going to cover it with a little bit of foil for another 30-40 minutes or so. Place back in the oven 30 minutes. So the turkey's been in the oven now about an hour 25, an hour and 30 minutes. Foil's coming off. So we're going to remove the turkey. We're going to let it rest as long as possible as well. Honestly, we want to rest at least 30-45 minutes.
So we're going to take the string off first. Take off the legs. Do the same with the wings. Let's just start taking nice slices straight off the breast like this. You can see that's still beautiful, moist and tender.
There we have it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Got our Christmas turkey, prep, roast, carve, ready to go. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Merry Christmas.